Great. So, Jim, let's maybe kick things off with you. Um, what were some of your company's key initiatives or maybe issues that led you to consider Incorta?
Sure. Well, I would say that the first one right off the bat, I think is pretty common to everybody. We had lots of disparate data sources. We needed a way to thread all of that information together and present it in a way that actually helped people uh, make decisions more quickly, get reports out there in a more efficient manner for them. And Incorta was a great solution for that. So that being said, we've only been really on the platform about a year. So I'd say we're in our nascent stages, but we have cooked up a lot of really cool stuff. So we started in the FP&A space, so a lot of sales-facing and leadership-facing reports, I would call them, more than dashboards. And now we're turning a corner to actually dashboard development, where you've got KPIs and insights, the ability for functional areas to come in, take a look at what's going on, have smoke detectors. If nothing's wrong, they can move on about their lives and go out about their day and not have to worry about running a report, putting it into Excel or Access, manipulating that, and giving them what they need to run their business. In terms of key initiatives, we had two pretty big ones. One good use case was aged and excess inventory reduction. So I think a lot of us are familiar with supply chain disruptions and how that impacted us. And I wouldn't call it panic buying, but we were really bulking up on inventory. We had a lot of that sitting around. It was kind of stagnant. We did not have an elegant way of addressing that using our newer ERP and our legacy systems. So we came up with a way to thread that all together in Incorta to support sales activities. Hey guys, we need you to go move this stuff. And it was very, very helpful to have a platform like Incorta to actually facilitate that for us. Another
Great.
great use case would be, sorry, go ahead, Stephen, a question on that?
No, no, great. Go ahead.
Sure. So another great use case is space and capacity within the buildings. So similar thing, disparate data sources. Leadership did not have a clear way of seeing how full the buildings were. So what I'd like to do, this I think is the fun part, is share a dashboard. It's going to render a little bit small because it's sitting on my laptop, but I think you can get the visual there. Again, the use case was, hey, we had a building run out of space and it snuck up on leadership. There just was no visibility to that. So leveraging Incorta, we were able to pull information from all of our buildings into one spot, focused primarily on our SAP locations. And this was what we would call a full stack implementation for us, right? So we had to pull in a new data source, which was the EWM module from SAP, create all the schemas and business schemas, and then the visualization layer. And we did it within a matter of a couple of weeks. Prior to Incorta, something like this would have taken a very long time, would have required a lot of manual inputs, spreadsheets flying around all over the place, thread that together in something probably like Microsoft Access. This, again, helped us get this done very quickly, provide immediate value. And now it's actually a part of our sales inventory and operations planning processing. So I think a great use case, a good win for the team because we were able to leverage the new freeform layout, which we love. You can see that here, and it's already providing a lot of value to the organization.